Kitchen Drawer. The Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer is an impressive solution for anyone looking to declutter and organize their kitchen utensils effectively. With a robust construction from high-quality polypropylene, this organizer promises both durability and ease of maintenance while ensuring it meets the demands of daily use. One of the standout features of this product is its adjustable and expandable design, allowing users to customize the configuration to fit various drawer sizes. This flexibility ensures that it can accommodate a wide range of utensils, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. The large capacity further enhances its utility, providing ample space for forks, spoons, knives, and other kitchen tools. In terms of aesthetics, the black color and unfinished surface lend a modern and sleek look, complementing a variety of kitchen styles. Its rounded rectangular shape not only adds to its visual appeal, but also optimizes space efficiency within drawers.